Welcome back, guys. Welcome fucking back. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing here, like. Get down, dickhead. Right. Stay. Fucking stay. Beautiful. Well, that was my firewall, wasn't it, guys? Last time I came, I built that firewall. It's still here, but it's been taken down. Oh, fucking no. Oh, no, guys. But yeah, they've kept it tidy. I tidied it up, didn't I? Sorry about the sun. But what the fuck do you want to do with it, guys? Can't shoot it out of the sky, can I? Fucking hell, matey. But yeah, today I've got... Oh yeah, I brought my bicycle. My sexy little bike. Sexy little bike, yes. I ordered some green grips because I wanted to. Yeah, not everyone's taste, but I like bright colours, you know what I mean, guys? Oh, yes, I do. I ordered one set and it came with two, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to use them. And I just put some on my seat, but yeah, anyway, you're not here for that. But yeah, sexy tripod, sexy nettles. Not so sexy if you fall in them, but you can make nettle tea. Oh yes, you fucking can. I might do that on a future video, actually, guys. But yeah, I've got a sandwich toasty maker to show you. So I'll get that out of my sexy little pack. In fact, we'll have a fucking brew fest, mateys. In fact, I might make a bench, because I'm not sitting on that. It's got fucking woodworm. You know what I mean? Oh yes, it has, guys. It is pretty fucking warm. I don't know why I've got a jumper on. Well, yeah, it's been a while. It's been a fucking while. Pissed it down all day yesterday, so everything's going to be wet. In fact, I don't even think I brought any cotton balls. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Right, we need to crack on with this bench. I need a big log. Oh, you waiting for me to do something? Come on then. Fucking hell, mateys. Get my sexy little saw out of my sexy little pack. You're not a saw. You're not a saw. You're a saw. You're a saw. Let's go, guys. Need a massive log, just there, just anywhere. Can't be arsed cutting one down, you see. I'll just wait here for one to drop, guys, yeah? Anytime soon. It's not going to happen, is it? Fucking hell, mate. I can use that one anyway. I'll use that, guys, because I need that. Oh yes, I do. I'll bring you back when I find a big log. A big log. It sounds like I'm taking a shit, doesn't it? See you in a bit, mateys. Right, because I'm blind, guys, yeah. I didn't actually notice we've already got a big log. It is a little bit burnt on the end, like a fucking matchstick, but it doesn't matter, guys. I'm going to use that. So we need 6 legs. I'm going to go for that height. Oh yes, we are. We need 6 of them sexy little buggers. So yeah, there's a couple there, you know. I'll size them up, you know, from this one, guys. Oh yes, I fucking will. And I'll stop rambling shit and I'll crack on. Yes. Oh yes, I fucking will. Shift out that fucking way, matey. Hey, that went fucking rather well, didn't it, guys? Fucking hell. Wow. Well impressed with this camp. Well impressed with this camp, guys. Wow. Wow. This camp is just getting even fucking better. Oh yes it is. Wow. Absolutely fucking well impressed with this camp. It's going fucking splendidly well. Telling you now. My saw's getting a bit blunt like James. James Blunt, do you get it? Do you get it, guys? Fucking hell. Right, like I said, this fucking camp is going really fucking well, guys. I'll get me over 2 cooks, I need to go find them. And I shall bring you the absolute fuck back. Can't believe how well this camp's going. I'm really fucking happy with this camp. Wow. Fucker. Wow. Oh, wow. Yeah, I put a little bit there as well, guys, because, you know, this water bottle's not right, it's not right good, to be fair. It just falls out at bottom, so I put that there, you know, just to keep it in. And you can't crush this one down because it's plastic, you see, and it'll fucking snap. Oh yes it will. So yeah. Right, I need to lash them together now, so I'm going to find my cordage, guys. If I'm not back in 5 minutes, just fucking wait longer, you know what I mean? Yeah, just tell everyone that you're in woods, you know what I mean, dickhead. Right, see you in a bit when we're lashing them together, guys. Put away what I'm not using. In fact, I need to keep that out, because I will be using that, my knife. It's alright, this little pack hanger, guys, but it's a bit too fucking high, mate. Fucking hell. rubbish bag for my rubbish, obviously, and my cooking system that will be all messy. Cordage, beautiful. Right guys, cordage. We've got a whole variety of cordages in here. We have green, red, orange, green and green, white. I think I'll use this. Yes. Like I say guys, a whole variety. A whole fucking variety of cordage. Wow. Need some cordage. Come see Ben. Ben. Bin. Fucking bin. Come see Benny. Right then. You just sit there. There. Yes, there. Right, I'll put my rubbish bag down because I didn't bring no mat, you see. There we go. Fucking perfect, mate. Fucking perfect. Right, so we've got 1, 2, 3 sexy sticks. Yeah. You know what rules, guys? It's got to be sexy. They've got to be sexy sticks. And yeah. Basically, I'm just gonna fucking do this. Right, I wanna play them fucking games, do you? Yeah? Get off, go on, get out of it. We're just gonna wrap these little... Get off, man. Fucking hell, mate. No one invited you, did they? Eh? You're not part of this fucking video, mate. No, you're not. Right, I'll speed this bit up, guys. Yeah, because it's just going to be me tying these sexy little sticks together. And I'll see you in a fucking minute, guys. Right, so I ended up using different cordage because that other stuff was not fucking strong enough. So I've just wrapped it round and then gone back through there. Back through there. Back through there. It's called frippity frap, fripping bapping. That's just called frapping, guys, yeah? So basically there's going to be 2 tripods and that sexy little piece there is going to hopefully sit on top, guys, and it ain't going to fucking snap on me, so let's give it a bash. I do apologise, it doesn't matter where I put the camera, the sun just fucks it up, guys. Oh yes it does. Yeah, frippity frap, fripping bapping. That's the new word for it, guys. Right, so basically, mates, yeah, that's and then, mateys, don't look right fucking promising, this, guys. Oh no, it doesn't. Dickhead. Frippity frap, fripping bapping. Yes. Frippity frap, fripping bapping. Frippity frap, bapping. couldn't help ground at level, you know what I mean? Well, I think it went rather fucking well, guys. Yeah, you will have to excuse me, I have not done bushcraft for quite a fucking while now, so I'm a bit fucking rusty. Yeah, I've not been able to get out, I've been busy at home, busy at work, busy at home, busy at work. I've not really commented on no one's videos, because I haven't been able to watch them all the way through. But I'm back, I do apologise guys, I am fucking back. And I'll tell you another thing, my heart's not really been in it as much either. I have had the odd day where I think, I could do a video today, and then I just think, I can't be arsed. And yeah, I don't want to get like that, so back out today. But yeah, let's see if this piece of shit holds me weight. Hopefully that burnt end doesn't snap. You know what I mean? So I'll sit you back in here, yeah? Just lift that up there. And then we just put you underneath like that. Lift you up. Then Benny sits on there and it fucking snaps and he falls over. Oh yeah. We're laughing guys, we're fucking laughing. It's a bit higher ground here, a bit lower here. I'm not moving it now. Oh no, I'm not. Right, we need a fire. Panic over guys, I did bring some cotton balls. Oh yes, I fucking did. I'm gonna go down there and see if I can find something that will fucking burn. Yes. Let's fucking go, guys. Let's go. That'll burn. You just listen to bird sounds, yeah? I'll be right back. Need my knife. Beautiful. Nice and dead. Quite high up, so hopefully nice and dry. You don't want to collect off floor, guys. For obvious reasons. Collects moisture. Especially if it's been pissing it down. Like it did yesterday. I know I'm putting it on the ground now, but it won't be there long, trust me. Yeah, I know I piss about in woods guys, but I know what I'm fucking talking about. Oh yes I do. Fucking absolute bushcrafter me mate. Absolute bushcrafter. Right, we'll get back up there. Get us a little bush box going. Cotton balls. Cotton balls. Bush box. The bloody hell with that? What the bloody hell was that? Right, there is a tree root coming down here, so I don't want to have it there. Yeah, you use your eyes when you're having a fire, guys. Throw a few cotton bollocks in there. Oh, whatever, mate. Fucking hole in my bag, isn't there? Know what I mean? Start off with them little buggers. Sit on my sexy bench. That hasn't fallen over yet. Wow. Really pleased with this video. Wow. Oh, I had some fucking cotton balls in there anyway. Dickhead. I forgot about that, guys. Put some cotton balls in end. Right, well, bagging. Right, so we've got one lit. Oh yes, we fucking have, guys. I think it's a bit wet as this stuff. It's going to be a schmoiky fire. It's going to be a schmoiky one. But it's a fire nevertheless. Oh yes it is. Right, we'll let that burn a bit. I'll get my fucking little toasting machine out and I'll show you. Oh yes, I will. Dickhead. So yeah, this is my little toasty machine. Don't have no name on it, just sandwich maker. Got it from Temu. I think it was £6. But it does actually fit Warburton's bread inside it. So I've brought some beans and some cheese and we're going to give it a bash. Oh yes we are, guys. But yeah, £6, you can't go wrong. Let's give it a whirl. So like an idiot, I didn't bring anything to prep my fucking food on yet. So we'll use this bag. I should have really got my fire going after I did this, but because I'm a dickhead, thought I'd do it before. That's my sexy little bread. Yeah. Make sure you've prepped before you get your fire going, guys. What a dickhead. You know what I mean? It's things you know, but you do it anyway. Some Bounty coffee. Bloody lovely. I've got my beans. Got my sexy little cheese. Oh, I can hear some people. Oh yes, I can. So what we're going to do is cut some sexy cheese, mateys. You know what my cooking's like, guys, so this is going to go probably fucking wrong. Oh yes, it will. Slap your little fucking cheese on your bread. Just like that, look. Yeah. Get your sexy little beans. Got to be sexy, guys. Oops. Yeah, this is very messy. Oh no. Ooh, get your sexy little machine. And your sexy little fucking messy bread. You just pop it on like that, guys. See, it just fits nicely. You know what I mean? And then you just close it up. And then you've got to feed your fire a bit more, because like a dickhead I lit it before prepping my shit. What did I say earlier? I know what the fuck I'm doing. And we'll just put a toaster machine on top like that, look. Yeah. Oh yes we do, guys. Yeah. See how it goes. See how it goes, eh? Probably burnt fucking shit out of it, knowing me. I feel like flipping it now, guys. But yeah, make I believe you bought one of these that fit a sausage inside it. But yeah, have a look on Temu, just type in sandwich maker. Well, obviously that's what you type in, innit? Because that's what you're looking for. Yeah, it's got no name, it just says sandwich maker on it. But yeah, it's not bad. It's alright, matey. I'll bring you back when I think it's done, guys. See how it turns out. We'll open it up and have a little look now, eh? Wow. It's the first time using it, guys, so I don't know how it fucking... It's cooking. I think I'm just too scared of burning it. I'll just leave it there. Leave it a couple of minutes each side. It's gonna come out burnt, innit? I know it is. good though, it's not leaking around the edges. Oh, I can smell burnt toast. Oh shit. Oh no. I mean, we are trying to burn it a little bit, guys, but don't want it black. Oh, it's really fucking warm here. Hurry up, I'm melting. My fire's going out now. So once it's gone out, guys, it is what it is. Too hot to be having a fire. It didn't quite look ready, but what I don't like straight away is one of the slices of bread is just it's sticking to the top. You know what I mean? I'll show you now. Guys, I can tell you now that toast, that one there is burnt to fuck. Oh no, let's get it out. I've just popped it there to cool down for now. Clean my shit up and we'll have a look at it. Made a right mess of this bag. Oh yes I am. Oh no. I think I've overdone this, guys. We'll use this as a plate. Right, let's have a look. So yeah, it would be better cooking it on a bed of embers rather than a flame, I think. Oh no. Told you it'd go wrong, guys. It's fucking Benny, innit? Yeah, Benny fucking bushcraft. Get out of it. I want to show you under this one, but it's all going to fall out. Yeah, it's a bit burnt. I'm fucking eating it anyway, guys. It's not as bad as it looks, you know. It's really not, guys, honestly. It's not as bad as it looks, man. Really fucking happy with that. Look at that, fucking cooked to perfection. Yeah? Fucking perfection, guys. Honestly though, it's not as bad as it looks. Fucking telling you now, mate, it is. Just believe me, guys, yeah? Just believe me. Fucking hell. Wow, perfection. Absolute perfection, guys. It doesn't even look like it's been in an house fire. some nice melty cheese on here. I think the bread could have done with a little bit longer. You know what I mean? Just a little bit longer for bread. But yeah, the actual toasty maker itself, quite like it. Perfection, man. Voila. Well, I'm just going to throw this one, I'm going to eat this one and bring you back, guys, yeah? Definitely going to eat it. Would you not eat that? That absolute piece of perfection that I'm holding in my hands right now. Oh yeah. Mick, I know you're dribbling right now, pal. Oh yes you are. Oh yes you are. So like I say, I'm gonna eat this and I'll bring you back. Wow, what a meal. What a fucking meal. I ate it all of it, guys. Yeah. Believe me or not, I fucking ate all of it. I wasn't gonna bother having a brew, but I'm gonna do. Just collected a few little more bits just to get it going again. Got my water. Yeah, we're going to try one of these. Bounty hot chocolate. Beautiful. I think it was 8 for £2 at Erin Foods. So yeah, we'll give that a bash. But yeah guys, that little toasting machine, all in all, apart from my fuck up, I think what I were doing, we're concentrating more on how the cheese were melting rather than how the fucking bread were cooking. You know what I mean, guys? But yeah, all in all, it is good. It's decent. That bread I was using were Warburton's, which didn't know bigger bread really, is it? It fits that in just nice. Nice and snuggly. Snuggly wuggly. And like I say, it'd be better on cooking on a bed of embers rather than a big fucking flame. Well yeah, Mick, I know you're on the lookout for one, mate. Have a look at one of them. In fact, I'm going to buy you one, Mick. I'm going to buy you one, yeah? So don't be buying yourself one, I'm going to buy you one. Okay, my friend, so I'm going to get my fire going now, guys. Get my little bounty hunt go. I'm going to give you a quick review on that bike. Yeah, you know my reviews, guys. I go right into depth. Yeah, thoroughly into the depth of everything. So we'll get that fire going and I'll show you that. But before I get it going, just give you one more little quick look at this. Yeah, for £6. You can't go wrong, guys. You can't go wrong. Yes, it's all burnt up, but it will clean. Clean your gear as soon as you get home. If you haven't checked Mick from Hampshire Outdoors and Survival's video out, it tells you all about cleaning your gear after a camp or an adventure. Go check it out, I'll leave his link in the description. But yeah, Mick, I'm going to buy you one of these, buddy. Right, see you in a minute, guys. Just another quick one, guys. It doesn't say the size on the box. I can't remember what size it was, but it's the same size as my trainer. That's how small it is. So it's easy to carry. Don't take much space up in your little sexy pack. So yeah, go out and get one, guys. Make you don't have to, because I'm going to get you one. Right, fire. Fucking hell, mates. Right, so yeah, guys, quick review. It's a bike, yeah. You just pedal it. You know what I mean? They're your pedals. Just put your feet on there and yeah, you know what I mean. It's got a back wheel. That's a tyre. Yeah. It's got grip on it so you don't slip and slide. That's another wheel, believe it or not. Same again, it's got a tyre. No slipping, no slidings. That's your suspension. It just makes it, you know, more comfortable for whilst you're riding. That's your bell end, your bell. Yeah, that just lets you alert people that, you know, you're coming up behind them or whatever, so they don't get the hump. They're your little sexy grips, so your hands don't go slip everywhere. They're your brakes, just so you can stop, really, guys. You know what I mean? Then under there you've got your gears. If you're going uphill, you put it on easy. You know what I mean? So you don't fuck yourself up. If you want to go really fast, guys, you put it on high. Yeah, that's your bike frame. That's your bottle holder, and that's your bottle that your bottle holder holds. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's your seat there. Most uncomfy seat in the world. That's your hat, just to keep your seat warm. You know what I mean? That's your derailleur. This is what works your gears backwards and forwards. Oh yes, it fucking is, guys. That's your chain. This is what actually drives this motor vehicle. And yeah, got to keep this lubed up. You know, a bit of Vaseline does, guys. Yeah, nah, I'm joking. A bit of fucking oil, yeah. You know what I mean? Just mineral oil will fucking do, guys. And over here, you've got your disc brakes. Now these ones run off. Oh my god, what is the fucking word? It's totally gone. It's absolutely gone, guys. What? Hydraulic. That is it. Hydraulic disc brakes, guys. Yes. And that is your sexy little pack that you can put on the back. That's just where I store my phone. You know, things like that. Things that may fall out of my pocket if I don't have zips on. And yes, guys, that is that. It's a fucking bicycle. Yes, an absolute bicycle. So yeah, I've had it ages, but now the car's fucked. I thought, you know what, get back out on it, kid. Yeah, fucking hell, matey. I'm just saving up for a new car now, guys. I'm sick of buying pieces of absolute shit. So I'd rather do without. So I've got enough money to get something nice. Now I agree they all have the problems, but fucking hell, not as many as mine. Fucking hell, mate. Well, Mr. Benny Bushcraft did not bring a fucking spoon again. No, he did not, no. But like I mentioned earlier, guys, I'm an absolute fucking bushcrafter, so I'll just make one. You know what I mean? Just get a stick, clean your bark off it. You've got a little stirrer. some weird noises in here. Strange sounds in the woods. Just enough water. Yeah, a bit of a different scenery, guys, eh? I tell you what, for £2 for 8, they're pretty nice. They actually taste like a Bounty chocolate bar. 8 for £2, you probably, you do think, don't you? Yeah, whatever, it's not going to taste not like Bounty, but really fucking nice, mate. Heron Foods, if you've got one in your town, go get some. If you like Bounty, of course. Just put things to one side when you're done with it, don't look as scruffy. Oh, that was hot. Well, yeah, guys, that's pretty much me done for today. Not special, I just wanted to try that sandwich maker out. It did do alright, to be fair. You know, as a product itself, but me on the other hand, I knew it'd go wrong, guys. Me and cooking don't mix. Out in the woods, at home I can cook like fuck. But when I try and cook in woods, just goes fucking tits up, guys. Yes, it does. But yeah, thank you for watching. I've got a few videos planned, guys. A few bushcraft ones, because it dawned on me over there as well. I've sort of let camping take over my fucking channel. I've just been going out camping, and my channel's called Benny Bushcraft. You know what I mean? So I need to start doing bushcraft again. So that's what we're going to be doing. I mean, look at that sexy fucking bench, guys. Wow! Fucking wowzers. Yeah? If that don't make you want to join my channel, I don't know what fucking will. Well, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Speaking of camping, I'm thinking of doing one tomorrow night, Friday night. I don't know yet. See what happens. If I do, it'll be uploaded Saturday night or Sunday night. If I don't, then I'll see over the weekend anyway, for a bushcraft video. If not a camp, yeah, you get it, guys. I'm chatting shit again. Right, thanks for watching. Take care. See you in a bit. And finish my brew and get the fuck out of here, mate.